Went back to the channel. We got another video. Everything is flooded. It's been raining for almost a week straight. Water everywhere. More than usual. But we already caught two and I didn't even record it. But we're gonna catch some more right off this little dock thing. We're at a little trading post. Got two different boat ramps. One on this, one over there. We'll see what happens. That's our setup. I don't hook myself in the process. No bobber, no nothing. Straight hook. Break the boy on there. Put the fingers on. Watch this. Got him. Little dudes, but I'll take anything. I ain't been able to go fishing in like a week. Things have been complicated. He done wrapped himself up good. The dirty dude. Mm. Alright. Let's do it again. I think it's deeper over here. Try over here. Got another one. It goes a little bigger. Little nugget. Alright. Trying to knit me a sweater. Alright. Another one. Just thread it on there. That's simple. Take your aunt, uncle, nephew fishing, no weights, just some jig heads and some worms. And it's on the bottom. Slack a little bit. That's gonna get annoying. I'm making some racket. It ain't no major video, but I figured I'd come out and try to catch some fish. Since we got a lot of rain, I know the water's high. And it's working. catching fish. Ain't that something? Who would have known? I knew how. Oh, I got one. I would have did. Another little tiny dude. Oh, I have water in my eye. Got you. You tried to defend me. What? Going back down. You're just chilling with it. Another little dude. Alright, we're going to a different spot. Don't mind my truck screaming. Got an attitude problem. I'm gonna go across the bridge, walk over there to the other side. See if I can get over there. I got everything. Yeah, hold on. Why ain't gonna run over there? It'll be alright. Everybody out here catching gar. Little tiny channel rats. I'm trying to catch something bigger. Keyword trying. Alright. Dude, go around, pay attention. Don't hit me. Go see what we working with. We have moved. And this looks juicy. We're gonna see what happens. Hoping I can catch some bluegill or something over here. So I can try to use some live bait for some bigger catfish. I know there's snakehead out here too. I've caught one or two of those out here. That'd be cool. I also have a wild card bait, and that is jalapeno and cheddar sausages with garlic powder. Let's see if that works out here. The water's pretty muddy. I need something that smells, that they can smell from a distance. Maybe that'll help me out a little bit. We're gonna soon find out. But you're gonna yeet this out there and see what happens. See if something will pick that up. See how fast it takes something to pick it up. Let me put it that way. Got a small circle hook. I don't know how well this is gonna work. Never tried it, but I imagine it can't be too bad. We'll see how it goes, man. One jalapeno cheddar sausage coming up. I'm gonna throw it to the right. Oh no, I'm gonna throw it right here by the bridge. Perfecto. Oops, I'm picking up the night crawler. Something's trying to pick up the night crawler anyway. I wonder if they over here on these concrete pillars. There's one way to find out, eh? Oh no. Let's try this again. Ain't nothing but rocks right here. So. I would imagine something would pick it up, but I've been wrong before. You telling me there's nothing down there that wants this night crawler? Come on now, it's a night crawler. Take the bait. Sweet. I've been messing with the jalapeno and cheddar. Was anyway. Now it's gonna be shy. Yeah, I see you. I didn't get it. Just gnawing on it. Yep. Pretty sick cast, if you ask me. Actually, I'm gonna recast the Nightcrawler. Oh, interesting. Every time I try to do something else, man. What was that? Ah, okay. I'll take it, I guess. They didn't move over here for no reason, I guess. Dang, dude, you almost swallowed it, didn't you? There's another one. Bye-bye. Those are not the fish I'm looking for. I'm looking for some bait fish. Bluegill. Something. Crappie? Crappie would be sick. Move under here a little bit, see what happens. Got stuck in a rock? Oop, something's hitting my big pole. Oh no. I lost that one. Dang, man. Gotta throw it deeper. Or at least hope it's deeper over there. Ooh, I got something decent. One of those bigger catfish. He's a little stronger. No, he's a little bigger than all the other ones. Ow. Come on. Can't get it out. There it goes. Nice one again. Those dudes. Ooh, something's on the big pole. Oh yeah, he's on it good too. I don't know what it is. It's a bigger catfish. Yeah. Oh no. Now my other pole is getting hit. All right, bye, dude. Let's see what's going on with this. I had one on there. I think it was a gar, though. Maybe not. Could have been the stick the entire time. About time for a water break. Woo. Something's hitting the little pole. I'll deal with you in a second. I got activity picking up. As I said, I wanted to get some water. I like how now it's not on there. Oh my gosh, I can't do nothing. I reckon these are the kind of problems I want to have, but what in the world? I didn't bring my other phone with me, so I can't set that up nowhere. I have a perfect place to set it up right there. Charged it and everything. What was that? Oh my god. Nothing will stop. There's so much happening. I just want some water. Got it. Thanks for playing, dude. Everything's calmed down. Does that mean I get a water break? Probably not, huh? Find out on the next episode. Something is attacking the jalapeno and cheddar. 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 I think he took my jalapeno and cheddar. Nope. He hasn't taken it yet. He's trying. It's time to play the game. No, he ain't on there. Can't confirm. What a loser. What a loser. Waste my time like that. Oh my gosh. Eat it! Don't play with your food. What Mom used to say. Am I being weird yet? Interesting. They took all my worm. I bet he won't do it again. Yes, he will. Oh no, where'd my little fuzzy thing go? There it is. How did you get down there? Wonder how that happened? Whatever. My luscious hair probably took it and took it off. My luscious locks. You know, somebody commented on the short I posted on Father's Day talking about I look like I could start a cult. What if I already have? What if I already have, and this is the way I have done it? It's just through YouTube. What if? What if? Also, I know I may look like Jesus, but I would never compare. Even though people try to compare my looks, I think Jesus looks better than me. I don't think I'm. Yeah, you know what I mean. Hope y'all enjoy me rambling. That's really all this is right now. But, yeah. Bet I catch a fish though. I bet I catch a fish though. Man, if y'all are in Mississippi somewhere, y'all tell me some places to go catch some decent catfish. I'm tired of going to the same 2 or 3 places, man. I don't know where else to go. I don't know any private lakes or public lakes that have any good catfish. Unlike catching bass, I went through that phase that was not for me. I like to get dirty with the catfish. Oh, his hand is so dirty. Yep, and I'll probably go eat before I go wash my hands. Because there's nowhere to wash my hands except for right there. I missed it. I whiffed him. I whiffed it. I think I'm just gonna put it down on the rocks. I think I was having better luck that way. Well, oh, I don't know what I have. He feels bigger. Be a bluegill or something. Oh, all right. Chill, chill, chill. Dookie head. I ain't trying to get your fins in my hand. What's wrong with you? Well, I say this has been a pretty productive day, and we're not even done yet. I think this is the best video I'll be able to give y'all, man. Thus far, when it comes to catching fish. Watch, I'm gonna reel this other pole up and put a worm on it. And something's gonna take off with it. What'd I say? You just give me a second. I'm busy. Now focus on you. Yep, okay. Oh! Well then. Water break. Alright, I feel better. I peed. Had some water. Let me get some more water. Then we gonna cast back out. If I can survive this. Alright. Alright. Make sure my truck is still there. Good. Looking good. That's gonna be the juice. Mm. Come on now. Oh. I hope that's not a turtle. What in the world? Alright, give me a second, dude. This is rough. No shot that just happened. Got that one. No, I didn't. I'm off. Alright. People say hot dog works. Well, I want jalapeno cheddar. That's interesting. I bent the whole hook out trying to get it out of his throat. You just clip that and go with one hook. So the bites are definitely slowing down. I say that. Dang, man. Might want to add some weight to this. That one jig head ain't going to be heavy enough. Big rod getting a bite with the worm. You telling me there's no crappie in here? No bluegill? Jalapeno and cheddar's getting smacked on. I don't know what that is, but it's being annoying. You had it to let go. I missed it, man. Dude, I swear that's a gar. Right, enough of that. Looks like we're getting a little overcast for a second. Maybe that'll be productive. You know, it's been productive already. He dropped it. Telling me I haven't got snagged right here this entire time. But now I'm snagged. You know what? Fine. Be that way. As soon as I go to try to retie. Should have just let him keep going with it. Let's see. CEO box. And for a fact, I'm gonna use this. Oh, somebody wants to send me treble hooks for all of these. None of them have them. These are all ones that I have found. I don't know. I'm a broke boy. Pretty sure whatever fish hit that big rod took the worm off. Yeah, that's gonna do us a little bit better. Having that weight on there is gonna help a lot. You hit it quick. Whenever you're ready. Ow. Later, dude. Appreciate you. Thanks for giving me some content. This body of water, that's about all you'll catch is some channel cats over here. Catch them all day, though, if you get out here at the right time. Something else has got it. You won't commit to it, though. He's picking it up, dropping it, picking it up, and dropping it. I bet that last little nibble, they took the bait off. Oh, yeah, I can feel it. Yep. What'd I say? Took my bait. Got to cast closer to the bridge. That didn't cast the way I wanted it to at all, but that's okay. I'm gonna catch a few more before I get done here. Well, I run out of worm. I think I still got a few in there. Should be able to make something else happen. Ooh. He's got some charisma. Yeah, I got you, Stinky. Scream if you want to. Scream if you want to. You ain't going nowhere. Just kidding. You're gonna go back in the water. Because I don't want you. Hey, dude, give me my hook. Let's do it again and again and again. I do this all day, man. There ain't no thing. I'm him. I'm Timothy. But I'm just Harry. No, just Harry. You are a wizard. I'm a what? Harry, you're a wizard. Look here, Hagrid, you fat oaf. I'm not a wizard. Oh. Come here, Stinky. Back to back. Back to back. Oh, buddy. Another one. Getting hot and weird. It's already weird. But the heat just kind of adds to it. Nah, I mean. Perfecto. This one will work. Somebody counting how many fish I've caught? Because I'm not. I might put a counter. You see? I want to say that's like 7 or 8. I don't want to say that though and look stupid. Like, dude, you didn't catch 8 fish, brother. Oh my god. That is wild. I have a fish. What the? He came off. We'll be back after this commercial break. Alright, now that that nightmare is over, that was annoying, but not enough to make me quit. We'll see what happens next. But for now, we're going to keep fishing. We're going to keep fishing. I ain't going out like that. I thought correct. Always trust your gut. Otherwise, why do you have one? See if I can get it up under the bridge. No, I think that's as close as I'm going to get it. Maybe not. I'm confident. I'll get it in there next time. Well, I said I didn't know how long this video was going to be, but now I do. My phone about to die. I ain't got my other one to record. I'm getting a bite right now, but this is the outro. I appreciate y'all watching. Like, subscribe, comment. If you want to, you don't have to. It's appreciated. But alright, y'all. Before this thing dies and it's awkward, I'm gonna get off of here. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. I appreciate y'all watching.